Hi everyone, I'm Noel, and I'm excited to walk you through something that's probably keeping a few of you up at night choosing between Trello and Airtable for your team. Look, we've all been there. You know you need better project management, but with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're going to break down these two popular platforms in a way that actually makes sense. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which tool fits your team, your budget, and most importantly, how you actually work. These platforms couldn't be more different in their approach. Trello embraces simplicity with its visual Kanban boards, making project management accessible to everyone from freelancers to large teams. It's all about seeing your work at a glance. Airtable, however, is a database powerhouse disguised as a spreadsheet. It's designed for teams who need to build custom workflows and connect complex data relationships. The fundamental question is, do you need simple task tracking or a flexible data platform? Your team size and complexity needs determine which tool fits best. Trello shines for freelancers, small marketing teams, and anyone using Kanban workflows. Its interface is notably more polished and visually appealing, with lightning-fast page loads. Airtable targets teams managing interconnected projects, developers building custom solutions, and enterprises handling large data volumes across departments. If you're just tracking tasks, Trello's your friend. If you're building systems, consider Airtable. Here's where the decision often gets made: your budget. Trello offers predictable, affordable pricing with a generous free plan that actually works for small teams. Airtable's pricing reflects its advanced database capabilities but can quickly escalate. Trello is significantly cheaper, making it accessible to startups and small businesses. Airtable's investment pays off if you need its power, but requires careful budget planning as your team grows. Let's talk real numbers. For a 10-person team, you're looking at $1,200 annually with Trello versus $5,400 with Airtable. That's a $4,000 difference. Trello's free plan gives you 10 boards and unlimited cards, while Airtable limits you to 1,200 records per base. The math is simple. If visual task management meets your needs, Trello delivers incredible value. If you need database functionality, Airtable's premium pricing becomes justified. Time to productivity varies dramatically between these platforms. Trello's drag-and-drop interface requires virtually no training. Your team can be productive in minutes. It's intuitive enough that explaining it feels unnecessary. Airtable requires understanding database relationships, formulas, and record linking. Expect 1 to 2 weeks for team proficiency. Users find Airtable's project planning tools comprehensive and customizable, while Trello is valued for its simplicity and visual organization. The architectural difference is everything. Trello specializes in Kanban boards with cards, lists, and visual workflows. Each card holds checklists, attachments, and comments perfect for straightforward project tracking. Airtable is a relational database offering multiple views: grid, Kanban, gallery, calendar, and timeline, all pulling from connected datasets. Think of Trello as a dedicated project tool, while Airtable is project management, CRM, content planning, and more, unified in one platform. Automation capabilities reveal each platform's true nature. Trello's Butler handles simple rule-based actions, move cards when labeled, create recurring tasks, or trigger due date reminders. It's straightforward and effective for basic workflows. Airtable's automation engine supports complex conditional logic, multiple trigger actions, and sophisticated data transformations. For simple task automation, Trello delivers. For complex business process automation, Airtable dominates with its database-first approach. Customization separates these platforms most clearly. Trello offers visual customization through backgrounds, color-coded labels, and Power UPS for extended functionality. Airtable is more customizable. You can build custom fields, link tables, use different views, and automate workflows. With over 20 field types, custom interfaces, and no-code app building, Airtable transforms into whatever your business needs. It's designed as a completely adaptable platform for virtually any business process. Data insights reveal another fundamental difference. Trello provides basic reporting through dashboard views on premium plans, simple charts showing card distribution across boards. Airtable offers comprehensive custom dashboards with interactive charts, KPI metrics, and advanced filtering across multiple linked tables. If you need to track tasks, Trello's reporting suffices. If you need business intelligence and deep analytics, Airtable's database foundation provides significantly more power. Both platforms connect well with other tools, but differently. Trello offers 200+ power UPS integrating with Slack, Google Drive, Jira, and time tracking tools. Airtable provides extensive API-driven integrations with Zapier, Salesforce, and custom connections. The verdict: both offer strong integration ecosystems, but Airtable's database architecture enables more sophisticated two-way data syncing and transformation capabilities for complex workflows. Mobile usage patterns matter for field teams and remote workers. Trello's visual simplicity translates exceptionally well to mobile screens. The full-featured app mirrors the desktop experience with intuitive card manipulation and offline synchronization. Airtable's mobile app provides core functionality, but complex database relationships become harder to navigate on smaller screens. It's better suited for data consumption than creation on mobile. For on-the-go project management, Trello creates a more seamless experience. Beyond subscription fees, consider operational costs. Trello's main hidden cost involves power-up limitations. Teams needing multiple integrations per board require paid plans to unlock full potential. Airtable's hidden costs emerge through scaling. As data volume, records, or automation needs grow, you'll quickly hit limits, forcing expensive upgrades. The high per-user pricing compounds this issue. Plan for growth when choosing your platform. For a 5-person marketing team tracking content calendars, Trello provides immediate value. Visual Kanban boards with to-do, in progress, and done lists, plus attachments and due dates. It's perfect for this workflow. The free or standard plan costs just $25 monthly. The same team using Airtable could link their calendar to freelancer databases and budget trackers, but requires a $100 monthly investment and setup time. For simple task management, Trello delivers immediate productivity. Software teams reveal the platform's true differences. Using Trello for agile sprints works for basic task tracking, but visualizing dependencies, detailed resource management, and cross-project reporting requires workarounds. Airtable enables the same team to link features to bug reports, generate Gantt charts, and create project health dashboards across teams. For complex, data-heavy project management with interconnected elements, Airtable's relational database approach provides superior capabilities. Let's summarize the trade-offs clearly. Trello wins on intuitive interface, low learning curve, affordable pricing, and excellent visual task management with a generous free plan. However, it's limited beyond Kanban format and lacks advanced database functionality. Airtable offers highly customizable databases, powerful automation, robust analytics, and versatile use cases beyond project management. The costs: steep learning curve, expensive paid plans, and potential overwhelm for simple needs. Artificial intelligence integration shows each platform's evolution. Trello's Atlassian Intelligence on the $10 premium plan offers AI-powered card creation, content summarization, and task breakdown suggestions. Airtable's AI add-on provides more advanced capabilities: data organization, content translation, workflow optimization, and instant app creation from descriptions. Airtable's AI integrates more deeply with its database structure, but Trello's AI offers good value within its affordable premium plan. Trello excels in 3 key areas: cost-effectiveness, visual workflow management, and easy onboarding. As one marketing director shared, Trello revolutionized how our small team manages projects. We were up and running in minutes, and the visual nature helps everyone stay aligned without constant meetings. When simplicity, speed, and affordability matter most, Trello delivers exceptional value for visual task management. Airtable's power lies in data handling, versatility, and no-code application building. A product lead explained, after the initial learning curve, Airtable transformed our operations. We replaced 5 separate tools with custom bases that work together seamlessly. The investment in time and money paid off tremendously. When you need to build comprehensive solutions rather than just track tasks, Airtable's platform approach shines. Your choice boils down to needs versus complexity. Choose Trello if you're a freelancer, small team, or need visual task management with simple adoption and predictable pricing. Choose Airtable if you manage complex data relationships, need custom workflows, require powerful analytics, and can invest time and budget for greater capability. This is fundamentally a decision between focused simplicity and comprehensive power. Both have their place in modern project management.